Hi folks, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Pregnancy tips. How much you should tell your children about your pregnancy. Once a woman has made the discovery about her conception, she will definitely wish to learn more about this momentous event in her life. And plenty of sources are available these days to answer all her questions. The trend has changed, and today even the male partner would wish to know more about this biological event. Well, he can get his hands on different sources of information too. What is quite difficult to obtain is a source of information about pregnancy catering to children only. With what is being exhibited on the media and what they see in the environment around them, modern children are as curious about pregnancy as adults. They are eager to absorb knowledge and exhibit a willingness to learn, so much so that adults find it difficult to understand how much they should reveal and how much they should conceal. What they do not realize is that children of different ages and coming from different backgrounds assimilate information in varied ways. While some of them are content with a limited amount of information about pregnancy, there are others who demand to know more and may even seek out knowledge all by themselves. A child who has observed many pregnant women will naturally be full of questions, believing that it is a very normal situation to be in. It is left to the parents to decide how much knowledge has to be imparted at that time. Too much information is really not necessary, just answers to the questions asked should suffice. Additionally, the child should be reassured that if he/she wants to seek more information about pregnancy in the future, he/she is free to do so. Children actually search for information about pregnancy in all innocence. Their queries are definitely not in the same vein as those of adults. If the parents have not understood what the child is trying to find out, it would be wise to clarify the question first before actually proceeding with the answer. The general conclusion is that the child is putting forth inquiries of an awkward nature. For instance, a very commonly posed question is, "Where do babies come from?" Usually adults hum and haw over questions of this nature, finding it embarrassing to answer them. Who knows, after a careful probe, it may be discovered that the child was only asking for the name of the hospital where the baby was born, or whether the newborn knows his/her doctor. In households with multiple children, information about pregnancy has to be distributed equally to the younger, as well as to the older children. When all are brought together, the presence of the older siblings prevents the youngsters from indulging in too much of investigation. At the same time, the older siblings get a feel of how much/how little knowledge has to be actually imparted to their younger brothers and sisters. Sometimes, a curious child poses a question directly to the mother-to-be. Now she may not necessarily be the child's own mother. She could be a teacher, the mother of a friend, the neighbor, the relative, or just any other woman whom the child knows intimately. The question should be answered according to the child's age. Opinions vary from woman to woman. Some impart as limited information about pregnancy as possible, believing it to be the best thing to do. Others feel that the child should know everything. To avoid conflicts, the concerned adults should discuss among themselves and come to a consensus even before the child becomes aware of the pregnancy. Hi folks, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Pregnancy tips. How much you should tell your children about your pregnancy. Once a woman has made the discovery about her conception, she will definitely wish to learn more about this momentous event in her life. And plenty of sources are available these days to answer all her questions. The trend has changed.